Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cultivate Agri. In this session, we discuss the questions of animal husbandry, and in the upcoming videos, we discuss the questions of agriculture engineering. So, subscribe this channel to get notification. Let's start the session. A castration method that uses large clamp to crush the blood vessels leading into the testicles is the removal of testicles is known as castration. Cattle cadder means preventing cow from drinking its own milk. Catheter means a device inserting into the bladder for urination. Vaginal speculum means a device used for widening the walls of vagina. So the answer is option C, Buddoso. It is a bloodless method. The feed that is high in energy, low in fiber content, and highly digestible is concentrate. The answer is option C. The concentrate is also known as grains, whereas roughages is also known as hay. The removal of tail in sheep is known as shearing, means the removal of wool from sheep. So the answer is option B, docking. The removal of wool from around the tail and between the rear legs of a sheep. Drenching means giving medication from the bottle. Crimp means the waviness of wool fiber. So the answer is option C, crutching. Which of the following method is age determination in cattle and buffalo? Rings on horn means calculating the rings on horns from third year. The age determination can also be calculated by dental formula. So the answer is option C, both A and B. Note down the dental formula. What is the function of develop in cattle? Develop means the loose skin hanging from the neck of the cattle. It is used to maintain body temperature. So the answer is option A. The famous cattle breed for Savichal is Savichal means the walking speed of the cattle breed. So the answer is option A, Concrete. The chemical used for dehorning is dehorning means removing the horns, and it is also known as disbudding. It is done by chemical method. So the answer is option B, caustic potash. The vasectomized male used to detect female in heat is dam means the female parent, sire means the male parent, doe means the female parent of goat. So the answer is option C, teaser. To test the internal quality and freshness of egg, dash technique is used. The answer is option C, candling. Incubator means providing artificial heat before hatching. Brooder means providing artificial heat after hatching. It is the picture of candling. By keeping egg between eye and the light source. It is the picture of incubator. Artificial heat is provided before hatching. It is the picture of brooder. Artificial heat is provided after hatching. The meat of goat is? The answer is option B. Whereas the meat of sheep is mutton. It is a confusing question. The act of parturition in goat is? Parturition means giving birth to young ones. So the answer is option B, kidding. The tallest breed of sheep is? Nellore. Option C. The practice of feeding extra grain to 2 to 3 weeks prior to breeding to increase the number of ova in sheep is? Flushing. Option C. Flushing is done for yielding twins. Das is also known as Kalamasi, meaning the fowl is having black flesh. Kadaknath. The answer is option C. Das is known as Jersey cow of goat world. Anglo-Nubian. The answer is option C. Das is known as queen of milk of world. Saanen. The answer is option A. The egg having weight 53 to 59 grams is large egg. The answer is option B. The undeveloped condition of genital organ is? The defects in reproductive organ causes sterility and infertility. So such type of breeds are culled and slaughtered. Here the answer is option C, impaired sexual maturity. DAS stores and release the hormone of oxytocin into bloodstream. The pituitary gland releases the hormone oxytocin for letting down of milk. So the answer is option B. The biggest and majestic goat breed in India is? Jamnapari. Option B. I hope you understand the concept in animal husbandry. If you need any update, you can write it in the comment box section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.